Hello, this is Monique with Honed Edge Designs. Today we are going to demonstrate how to mount a tire with a Mousse insert using our new, patent-pending tire slips. The Mousse has already been inserted into the tire. For the purpose of this demonstration, we did not apply lubrication to the Mousse or tire. When using tire slips, lubrication is not really required for the mounting process. We start off with using a strap that is being held with our special strap mount, threaded onto the stem of the rim lock. The strap holds the tire in place. Using our special gooseneck 12-inch tire irons, we can now easily mount the first bead onto the rim. Virtually no effort is required. Next, we insert the tire slips. We space them equally around the rim, resting on the spokes. As you can see, very little physical effort is required, using our relatively short tire irons. Everyone knows, the longer the lever, the higher the force. However, we don't want to force anything. We want to install the tire as gentle as we can. As we mentioned before, no lubrication was used, in order to demonstrate that the tire can be mounted without it. However, in a normal scenario, lubrication needs to be applied, according to the Mousse manufacturer's guidelines. Lubrication will make the mounting process even easier than shown here. To recap, using tire slips makes mounting tires with a Mousse insert a piece of cake. Please contact us for more information.